Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. It's called Chocolate Pickney. I'm glad you're here. If it's your first time, thanks for joining me. Welcome. And if it's not your first time, thanks for staying with me. I really appreciate your support. Today I'm going to take this headband, this 4 inches headband, and I'm going to turn it into something and change my look from that one up there to that one, that one, that one, and that one. So stick and stay with me and I'll show you how it's done. First thing I'm going to use is the headband, of course. I'm going to need the headband. This is the 4 inches headband. I also found one in 2 inches, but for this hairstyle I'm going to use the 4 inches headband. I'm also going to use the crochet needle, and then I'm going to use this nice juicy afro twist bulk here that I found in Beauty Kingdom. For all those who know Beauty Kingdom in Mobile, I found it at Beauty Kingdom. I went into the store and I fell in love with this hair. It is not too curly or coily, and what I like most about it is that it's flexible. It's not too shiny. It don't look like lightning catcher, and it somewhat looks realistic. As you can see, it's a realistic brand, but it's kind of shiny, but it looks somewhat like the realistic hair, like a real, you know, somebody with mixed hair. But the only thing about it is that if you manipulate it too much, it will get really fuzzy and frizzy. So I'm ready to start. That's my mannequin. Her name is Monica. She was named by my daughter Marissa. So this is Monica, and I put the 4-inch headband on Monica's hair, and I'm about to start. So let's get cooking. Alright, one thing that caught my eyes in the store, them something here. Yeah, the spiral at the end, the tapered spiral at the ends of the locks, of each lock, and it's on both ends. You know, some afro kinky hair will come with the sharp or blunt cut, rather the blunt cut at one end and then the tapered cut at the other end, but this one came with the cute spirals at the ends, the tapered spiral. Now it's time to begin the braiding. So to crochet braid, I'm going to fold the hair in 2 halves, hold it in the middle, and then I'm going to reach for my needle and I am going to loop the needle through the headband. I'm going to grab the hair with the needle, close the latch, and then pull it through the headband. Now I'm going to take out the needle, and that hole that is there, I pull the hair through it. I'm going to repeat this step until I have the desired amount of hair on the headband. Now I'm going to place the next strand of hair 2 finger widths apart, because as you can see, one strand or one lock of hair is thick, and therefore I need to give it enough space so I won't have a big bundle of hair at the back of my head. Okay, and I should have said this earlier. What I did was measure the wig cap on my head, not wig cap, the headband, and I marked from one ear to the back of my head, across the back of my head to the other ear, because that is the only section I am going to be braiding. The front section will be left empty. If you continue to watch, this will be much clearer to you, so keep watching. So I've fast forwarded the video for the sake of time. So far I had used 1.5 bundle of hair. Remember, the package came with 3 bundles. I used 1.5 bundle of hair. I could go on and use all 3, but I was satisfied with this amount of hair. I really like this hair. I really like the the juiciness, the bones of this hair. So I'm done. I'm not gonna add any more to it. What I'm gonna do next is fit the hair so you can see how I wear it. I am back. Okay, this is a wig clip. You should sew a few inside your wigs just so that it is secured and you'll have no accidents on the street or wherever you are. Okay, so I'm gonna fit my hat wig, my scarf wig, and my headband wig in one. I like this hair. I really like this Afro pinky hair. I said it before because it is so bouncy and, you know, almost realistic, as I had said before. What I like about this wig is that it can be worn with a hat. Well, that's the intention. And other hat wigs, the hair is actually attached to the hat, so the hair can only be worn with that hat. But this one is versatile. You can wear just about any hat, scarf, or anything with this wig. So here goes my boy girl cap. The back shows that I need to put more hair just right there at the opening of the cap. So after I was done, I added a few more strands of hair just to cover that section, but that was good. Now this old hat was lying somewhere. I just took it out in order to show the versatility of this wig. Now I'm going to do, what a change, what a drastic change. Now I'm going to do the head wrap style with this hair. So what I did was turn the headband around, and now I'm going to fix it to my suit. So keep watching. Okay, so while I'm there fixing the hair, I could feel the headband sliding from my head because there's no comb in it, and then my hair is missing. The back of my head is shaven, so there was no friction between the headband and my head to stop it from sliding off. So that is why I implore you, if you intend to try out this wig, you should stitch at least 2 of the wig clips inside, so whenever you put it on, you can snatch the wig onto your natural hair. But for me, it will work. So this is one of the scarf style. I just got a scarf, wrap it around, and then I'm going to tighten this that is at the top. You know, when you pull your hair into a ponytail and leave a bang, this is what I'm trying to achieve. And so far so good, I did achieve it. Another way to wear this is to pin it into a cute little bun, maybe for a more elegant look or a more groomed look. So you could just tuck that area into a bun and pin it away. Isn't that cute? I think it's so cute. Now even with this hairstyle, I can wear a hat. I wish I had a top hat because that would have been super gorgeous if I had a top hat, but this is the only hat I have, so I modeled this one. I think it's really cute. Now I'm going on to my favorite hairstyle, and it's my favorite hairstyle because I'm going to be wearing a turban. I like to wrap my head turban style. Now I'm gonna do the same as the previous hairstyle. I'm gonna pull back the wig over my head with the hair at the front and the back empty. I'm gonna pull the hair all the way to the top because I want all the hair to be out of the wrap when I'm done. So I'm gonna secure it right up there at the top, and then I'm gonna start wrapping. I have this nice lovely, what color is this now? Teal green something that I got at the fabric store, and I'm just gonna wrap my head with it. Well, I'm still learning how to wrap turban, and I think anyway a turban is done, it is done perfectly. There's no right or wrong way to wrap your hair. That's my opinion. So I think I did well. Now I'm gonna just pull the hair together so that I can have the pineapple top. And there goes my pineapple top. I'm of the belief that turban should be worn with special earrings. So here goes my Tree of Life earring. I had the option of wearing this darling, but I'm going to stick with the Tree of Life considering that my head is already looking like a pineapple. So might as well I continue on the plant journey. Did I say I like head wraps? I love head wraps, and I think I did well with this one. What do you think? Leave a comment in the comment section below. What's your favorite hairstyle? Which of the hairstyle is your favorite? Thanks again for watching. I appreciate your presence. If you have not yet subscribed, could you kindly go ahead and do so now, and press the like button if you like this video. Thanks again. You may go ahead and watch my other hairstyle videos. I have a few up, so you may go and check them out. Thanks a lot. Bye.